Get to nobody ready, girl.
Broke off your back, hey girl. Broke off your back, hey girl. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for spring break, I went on a cruise that went to the freaking Bahamas, and it was so amazing. This vlog is solely about my experience in Nassau, which was unbelievable, and I would love to go back, especially now since, Corona has hit us.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Jessica, are you excited? Brie, are you excited? Spring break, guys! Spring break. We finally made it to the Bahamas. Super exciting. Here's our cruise ship. Here's our competing cruise ship. It's gonna be really fun. We don't necessarily have anything planned, but we're definitely gonna immerse ourselves in the culture.
By the way, I went on a cruise with my boyfriend and my two friends, Bria and Jessica, and we literally had the time of our lives. Like every day there was something new, and we really just got to know each other, so that was great.
The Fendi. Guys, there is our ship. There's this other ship. I think it's from Viking Sea. And then that last one is Disney, but we're not going to talk about Disney.
So a big part of how some Bahamians make their money is through tourism. So literally tourism island. So as soon as we got off the boat, we had so many people asking us if we wanted a taxi ride, if we wanted to buy some souvenirs, and they were offering us deals on some other random items as well. But we just really wanted to look around first. So we got off the boat and walked around for like 30 minutes. And at first we found a beach, but no one was there, and the sand was hurting our feet because it had like rocks in it. So we were like, all right, let's catch a cab and let's go check out Paradise Island, which is actually where Atlantis is.
Guys, so we just got finished going jet skiing, my very first time ever. It was very scary. It was awesome.
Fun.
Yeah, it was awesome. Jessica drove at first, then she quit. Then Bria took over. Bria took over and she lost her hat. But all in all, it was really fun. I kept thinking about falling off. We almost fell. We almost took over twice, but the Lord saved our life. Yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated with what we're doing. But right now we're just really chilling on the beach. Justin's in the water. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we watched it at your house.
Alright, Jess, you got this. True. Alright guys, so yeah, the jet skiing was really fun. Now we're about to get some food because we are hungry. We had breakfast this morning, but it wasn't anything major. So we're gonna get some authentic food. We are not gonna get the McDonald's. I might get the McDonald's if nothing, nothing hits, but I think it'll be really good. Yeah, Justin's about to fly his drone. And we just took some pictures and we're chilling. So yeah, I got the swimsuit from Target. I thought it was Adorbeez. It's this top with the high-waisted bottoms. Pretty cute.
So after we got food, we walked around for a little more and we saw some more of the island. And honestly, Nassau is a really cool place. And one thing I really enjoy is like when we went like deeper into the island, we actually got to interact with like some more of the locals. So there were like people that just got out of school and just people that were just like walking around. So that was really cool. So after our super fun day in Nassau, we headed back to the boat and took a long nap. After the nap, we had dinner, had a few laughs, and then we went to our favorite cruise activity, karaoke.
Get to nobody ready, girl.
Rock off your back, hey girl. Rock off your back, hey girl. Yeah, yeah. What this make you feel like though?
How you feel like?
What this make you feel like though?
What you feel like
What
though?
this make you feel like though?
How you